explainhelp.co.uk. Hi and welcome to another explainhelp.co.uk video. This video is to show you how to assign a function to the hardware you are using. So in this video I'm going to show you how to assign views to your buttons on your Satek hardware. I like flying helicopters, so I use my Logitech 3D Pro joystick for the actual main flying, and I use the buttons on my Satek Pro Flight Yoke for looking around. Not everyone will want to use this preference, but this is how I do it. It's useful because you've got rocker switches, rocker switch on the left of the yoke, and you've got two rocker switches on the right of the yoke, which is perfect for me because you can have left, right, up and down, forward and backwards. So in order to assign your functions to your yoke, what you need to do is you need to click on settings up here. So if you just run your mouse up here and it will show click on settings, and then make sure that the joystick tab is highlighted or active, whatever you want to call it. You've got that selected. On device, make sure that the Satek Pro Flight Yoke is selected, and make sure that on view, make sure that the front of the yoke has also been selected. What you'll now see is your flight yoke here, and on the flight yoke the buttons that are shown available on the device will be shown on here as well, with blue excuse me, with blue labels over each function or over each button or switch, representing that a function can be assigned to it. So what we'll do is we'll go to switch number 8, or the side of switch number 8 here. This switch has got 8 and 9 applied to it, so left being 8, 9 being right. So if we click on 8, I'm going to have that switch as my moving left and right in the cockpit. So if I click on number 8, what it does down here is it says move fast left. So I've already assigned the function to it. I'm just going to show you how I do it. So on number 8, click on edit, and then type in move view. And what that does is when you type in the function, or start typing the function keyword, it'll bring up that function in this menu here. Or what it will do is it will bring up every result associated with that function. It filters them out, basically, is what we're trying to say. So button number 8, move view left fast. So move view left fast, that one there, number 8. And number 9 would be also, that would be move view left right, which is move view right, there we are, move view right fast, that one there. So what we're going to do, we've selected move view left fast for option number 8, and we're going to click on apply, and then we're going to click done. And what we're now going to do is we're now going to we're going to put the switch to the left and the switch to the right, and there you go. You can now move left to right in the cockpit. You can move up or down in the cockpit with the switch above that one, and with the switch on the left of the yoke I can go forward and I can go backwards, and I can also, using the Logitech joystick button, rocker hattus thing, I can sorry, I can't remember what you call it. I can move across like that, I can move down wherever I want to go. So I've got full movement there of everything I want to see. I've got a completely unrestricted view of what's going on in the cockpit, which is really good for when you're sightseeing, because you can see anywhere you want. And the great thing is, if you go forward like that, move it up, and there you go. So that's how you assign a function in X-Plane 11, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for your time.